We just received this Type 2 outlet adapter from Tesla. That's what it looks like. So we plug it in and it goes green. Plug this toaster in and we turn it on. Oh, the lights is on. There you go. Let's have a look in the car. Okay, it's discharging 1 kilowatt and the power share limit is 20%, meaning it will drain until 20% and approximately that will take 15 hours. I believe it's a maximum limit of 3.45 kilowatt and it's a 15 amp plug, so you can plug in a 15 amp socket. I wonder you would be able to charge another car, you know, with the portable charger with this outlet, you know, so you could potentially drain the battery from this car into another EV slowly. Nice, this is good. You know, I can see now we can bring our toaster, our induction cooktop where we go camping. Fantastic. Vehicle to load. What a great idea.